This is mashed potatoes, mushroom gravy, and pan-seared pork loin. Julienne an onion and mushrooms. Start your potatoes boiling. I add a little bit of salt to the potatoes. They can be diced if needed for faster cooking. While this is going, I measure out my spices and set them off to the side. Then I'm going to add 2 cups of chicken stock to a pan and start it boiling. I'm going to saute off the onions. Once they are caramelized, I will add the mushrooms to the pan. While the mushrooms are cooking, I'm going to add the corn slurry that I made using cornstarch and water to the chicken stock and allow it to thicken. Once it is thickened and the mushrooms are cooked, I'm going to add the mushroom and onion mix to the gravy, turn it off, and put a lid on it so that it keeps warm off to the side. Once the potatoes are done cooking, I drain them out, add butter, cream cheese, you can also use sour cream, as well as the spices. I put a lid on it for just a handful of minutes, 3 to 5, to allow the butter and the cream cheese or sour cream to soften, and then mash it up. Once I'm done mashing the potatoes, I put a lid on it and let it set off to the side, at which point I will then pan-sear the pork loin chops. I did end up adding a little bit of the no soy-free sauce from the Foodbank to the gravy to give it the little bit of extra flavor that was necessary. The seasonings were all fairly simple, and I seasoned the pork chops with the same seasonings I use for everything else: a little salt, pepper, onion powder, and parsley. The onion powder can easily be replaced with garlic for taste preferences. Hope you enjoyed this meal.